and we back. And we back, and we back, and we back, and we back, and we back. And we back, and we back. Hey.
Great, so now we know how to say, what are you cooking, and how to respond with your chicken soup and rice. And the next question is, do you know how to cook?
Amano itempo.
Again, please.
Amano itempo. Ama no.
Ama.
Itempo.
Ama.
Amano itempo.
Slower.
You
don't want me to learn. Say it slower. You went faster and added stuff. Okay, I'm trying to do it with my ears only.
Okay.
Ama.
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 No. Amano itempo.
Itempo.
Example. Amano itempo.
Amano itempo. Mommy, I don't know. Amano itempo.
Amano itempo.
I just won't be asking, do you know how to cook? Why would I ask anybody if they know how to cook anyway? They gonna be asking me. Okay. Amano
itempo nsoke bidia. What do you want to eat? Nsoke bidia.
There we go. Let's move on. So following up with the previous series, we taught a phrase, abiandong. I'm hungry. So to piggyback off of that, to take it a step further, we want to know, if you say I'm hungry, what do you want to eat?
Nsoke bidia.
Nsoke bidia.
Nsoke bidia.
Nsoke bidia. Did I say it right?
Nsoke bidia.
Nsoke bidia. Nsoke bidia.
Nsoke bidia.
Nsoke bidia.
Nsoke bidia. What do you want to eat? Nsoke bidia. Nsoke bitem.
Means?
Nsoke bitem. What do you want to cook? Nsoke tem. What are you cooking?
So what are you cooking? What do you want to cook? What do you want to eat?
Yes.
All right, so abiandong.
Nsoke bidia.
So now how do I say I want to eat this?
Njem edidia edesi.
Nyem edidia.
Njem edidia edesi.
Nyem.
Njem.
Nyem edidia.
Edesi.
Edesi.
Yes. Rice.
I want to eat rice.
Nyem. Njem edidia edesi.
Nyem.
Njem edidia. Edidia edesi.
Edesi.
Njem edidia ukam. Plantain.
Okay. That's what I'm going to need to know.
I know you love it.
I'm going to need to know that one. All right. Nyem.
Nyem.
Edidia.
Nyem edidia.
Nyem edidia.
Nyem edidia edesi.
Nyem edidia ukon.
Nyem edidia ukam.
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 Yes.
Nyem edidia ukam.
Nyem edidia ukam.
Nyem
edidia ukam.
Nyem edidia ukam.
Yes, very good.
I'm trying to say it fast too, like you.
Yeah, edidia ukam.
We're piecing the puzzles together. I'm hungry. What do you want to eat? I want to eat this. What are you cooking? So how do we say the food tastes good?
Oh, ndidia me anem. Anem. Ndidia mfo nem. Your food is good.
One more time.
Your food tastes good. Ndidia mfo nem.
Ndidia mfo nem.
Ndidia mfo anem.
Anem. Good. Great.
Your soup tastes good.
Okay, so I think that wraps up our cooking lesson.
Yes.
Or our lesson on cooking, food, eating.
Yeah, we love food, so we have to talk about food.
Yeah. So if you guys learned something new, make sure you comment below. Like this video, share it everywhere you possibly can, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you in lesson 2.